Hey, how's it going, guys? It's your boy Yashvi Gaming. As you can see, I have a Micro ATX PC right here, a Micro ATX case. I've already upgraded this one. It was AMD Ryzen 9 5950X. I upgraded it to Intel. Okay, I have upgraded it to Intel Core i9 13 Gen. Okay, and this one has, I believe it has a Ryzen 7 5700G processor and RTX 3070. So I'm gonna upgrade this into AM5. Okay, so this build right here, this Micro ATX is AM4. So I'm gonna upgrade this AM4 into AM5. Alright, okay. Alright, so let's do it. So I'm gonna grab this. Alright guys, so first thing first, let's put this aside. Okay, so we're gonna pull this. Alright, so let me set the case. Very easy to work with. Okay, so now I'm just gonna grab this. I'm gonna pull the GPU PCI cable. Alright, there we go. Right there. First thing first, I'm gonna quickly dust this thing. I remove every dust. Alright, so there's one screw like here, so we're gonna remove that. Alright, here comes our GPU. Alright, a nice as you can see, GeForce, I believe this is Zotac. Okay, Zotac Gaming RTX 3070. Let's put that aside, and I don't want to lose any screws, so guess what, that here. Just don't forget that screw. Okay. Alright, next thing, I'm gonna remove the CPU fan right there. Okay, right here. I'm gonna remove this one. Okay, now I'm gonna remove every fans as well. I'm gonna unscrew this, or maybe it should be easy. And there's a RAM. Okay. There we go. Okay, remove the GPU motherboard 24 pin. I'm also gonna remove this M.2 SSDs right here, right there. I think I will need yeah, no need for another screwdriver. Okay, there we go. And just quickly lift this up. Alright, here. Now remove every cable. Remove the SATA. Alright, I'll remove all the cables. Alright, and the CPU right there. So this one. I think I'm gonna have to remove all the fans first to be able to remove that CPU cable. Okay, so far so good. Wow, would you look at that? A lot of dust. Okay, so here I have 4 sticks. 4 sticks of 8 GBs. Okay, 8 GB DDR4, so 200. Okay, 4 sticks. That is a total of 32 gigs of RAM, DDR4. Alright. So now I'm gonna keep that. Since I'm upgrading to DDR5. I no longer need these. So instead I'm gonna sell it maybe on eBay or Facebook Marketplace or whatever. Alright. Next, alright, let's remove this CPU cooler. So this one we have to do it diagonal. I mean, unscrew this, unscrew. See, it's still sealed. I think it's still into the back plate, so I'm gonna have to remove that first. Let's take a look at the back. Alright, so right here I have yeah, again those screws I don't want to lose. This one is a M.2 NVMe screw. So again, don't want to lose that. I'm gonna keep them in one spot. Okay. All right. I'm gonna need another. Okay, so this one is out. Alright, just put that over there. This one I might need this. Alright, so this thing will pop out. So I guess. Okay, let's go. Holy moly, there's a little dust. So, and this, wow, would you look at that? Holy moly. OMG. That thing is nasty, freaking disgusting. Okay, so first thing, so this the backplate, the AMD backplate comes out, and then this, it's still got some of these thermal grease. Alright, so this is a stock AMD Ryzen 7 cooler. Okay. Alright, there. So yeah, let's remove the CPU. Okay, so I'm gonna have to clean this CPU up. Yeah. Sit right here. I'm gonna get tissue paper. Alright, so I'm gonna clean this up now. Alright, so some of it will clean, I think. Alright, so let's see. So this is an AMD Ryzen 7 Ryzen 7 5700G. Okay, AM4 CPU. This is an iGPU. As you can see, all the pins are intact. Okay, none of them are broken or bent, nothing. Alright, so always sit the processor like this. Okay, so I'm gonna just, to be on the safe side, so I'm just gonna put it right here, so I don't let any tools or whatever pliers don't fall on to it. Okay, so we have that. I have these two screws, four. What was those screws? So at this one, that thing right there. Okay, so where do I put that? Where's the glass? I just sit right there. Okay, now I'm gonna close this thing. Okay. Well, okay, yeah, about the fan now. So I'm gonna unscrew all these fans, and lastly is a motherboard. Then I got 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4 for the power supply. Yeah, let's do that. Alright. Okay, let's do diagonal. Alright, boom. 2 of them. This one. 3, and where's the 4th? Don't fall. So I got 4 of them. These are hard to find. I had to order that from, because in any of my local shop, no one has this. Okay, this is freaking fan screws. They don't sell the screws. They're asking me to buy the whole fan, and then they will give the screw. Okay, so I had to like buy these type of screws, fan screws, for like $3 on Amazon. Like I got like 40 of them, and there was even like 100 of these screws in a whole bag for about $9, I think. Yeah. Okay, so this intake fan, good. Now I'm gonna remove the top fan. Okay. At this point, I don't care about that going diagonal or whatever. Just removing. Alright. Okay. Alright, so this one needs both power to unscrew. You see that? Alright, unscrew. Okay, so it's already there. Okay. Okay, there's the last one. Okay, there's that. Now about this one, this thing does get removed. I think, yeah, it does it? I don't know. Maybe I'm gonna try to give it a push. Maybe. Let me see. There's no screw. Alright. Alright. So are you prepared, guys? Okay. So there's no screw right here. Are you prepared? See that? Here there's a kind of lever. So all you gotta do is to a lot of dust. Alright. So all you gotta do is push this, and boom. See that, guys? Holy moly! That's the... Holy moly, see that? Oh my god, what is it? Holy cow. Right. So good thing to know, so I'm gonna clean that later. And this cage, does it comes out? Maybe so this one, this part does come out. And then I'm gonna so let's go for the power supply. Or maybe should I remove, yeah, I should remove these first. Okay, so there are two fans right here. Holy moly, my mom's gonna kill me. Oh my god, look what I'm doing to her. Shit, she's gonna kill me. Alright, 12. Okay, 1, then 2. This one, I think it missed some of the screws. Sorry. Okay, missed one of it right here. Right. 2, 3, 1, 4, one fall down. This one, I think this one. Look at this one. All these fine screw. Try not to break anything. So yeah, this gauge, maybe I could without, yeah. Alright. Okay, what do we have here? This is crucial. Weight 2.5 SATA 3 SSD. Alright, good to go. Leave that over there. Okay. Alright, so I don't want to break anything because I'm still gonna be using this because this is fan hub controller. I'm gonna use the same thing on the AM5. Okay, so I don't want to break anything. I'm trying to be as gentle as I could. Okay. Oh my god, there's a big mechanical hard drive, I think. It's stuck. Alright, see that? Gosh. So yeah, let's remove these first. Okay, one SATA cable, go over there. Second. Alright. It's a freaking cage. I'm gonna try to pull this. There. Holy moly! Who still use that? So this is a WD 500 GB, as you can see. SATA mechanical hard drive. Yeah, well, this thing's old. Yeah. Now I see we have like a cage, hard drive cage. Okay, so that thing I'm gonna have to remove because okay, so there goes the cage. Holy moly, there's another one. Let me drive in this. So, try not. Alright, there we go. So I got another like. So this one, how does it hook? Okay, so it hook at the back, 4 screws at the back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so basically yeah, I'm not gonna unscrew that because I still might use this because nope, I'm not gonna use that for later because this thing it gets stuck. All right, let's go. Let's freaking. Alright, here we go. So here we've got team group. This one is Vulkan G2.5 SSD 512, okay, 512 gigabyte, SATA 6GB 2.5 inch. Yeah, well, good to know. Another one. Alright. Holy moly, would you look at that? Gee. Alright, so let's unscrew this. I think so. This is like up here, uses a fan hub, connect with SATA. Okay, SATA connection. So I'm gonna remove each one of these carefully. Okay, alright, now so I'm gonna remove the power supply. Okay, alright, let's go. This one should be easy. These 4 screws. Alright, so here comes the power supply. Okay. Alright, here comes the power supply. Alright, so alright, so here's the power supply. EVG, this is RS game EGV 650 watts. This is like semi-modular, okay, semi-modular, and yeah, it's a good power supply. I've been using like for about 2.5 years for now. This whole PC, guys, it freaking works. It does turn on. I do usually use it as a secondary PC as for streaming. Alright, so I decided to upgrade it. Okay. Yeah, so I think some of these cables, you can see, are zip ties. So I'm gonna have to get a scissor or something and cut this. Okay, let me see. Alright, so this CPU cable is not coming out because, as you can see, there's a motherboard. So I'm gonna have to dismantle the motherboard. And as you see, the fans did come out really neatly. Alright, 5 RGB fans. So I'm gonna take them outside, do a proper clean. Okay, I'm not gonna put water because if I spray water, it might not work. Okay, so I'm gonna like clean them, okay, with a piece of cloth, like a wet cloth or something, and yeah, should be good. All right, so okay, this right here. Let me get one screw, two, three, four, 5, 6. Okay, so this one needs all screwed up. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here's this one. Alright, so there comes the motherboard. Okay, and now what? This PCI, okay, CPU. So this is a little Micro ATX case. Okay. Alright, and there we've got the power supply, semi-modular. Okay, this is semi-modular power supply from RS Game. Hey guys, so again I was trying to like flip this over, and as you can see this happens. Okay, it won't unscrew. As you can see, this little thing, it attach on the screw. So today I'm going to show you how you're going to remove that safely without breaking the motherboard, without any further damaging. Okay, so all you need is a plier, a set of pliers. So what you want to do at the back, so you have to do this at both hands. So you have to grab this like this, grab and keep on pressing, and then on the other end you have to unscrew it. Okay, let me show you that. Alright, so we grab it like this, grab, and then right here you see is a screw. What is that screw? So this one, right? This right here. Now all you want to do is it should come out. Okay, as you can see, it should come out into the plier right here. And there is your screw right here. Right there. Now let's do for this one as well. Alright, so this one, just put the plier right here, just like this, and keep holding. When you hold that, now where's the screw? Yeah, you see that? So here's a screw here. I'll just enter this, and boom. As you can see, without any pausing the video, cutting the video, whatever, here is the thing. Okay, it's a gold plate right here into the plier, and here's your screw. Here's a screw, just that right here is a screw, and here's the gold plate right here. Okay, so you see how easy it was. All right, thanks so much for watching.